Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel We Love Computers. In today's video we will continue the relational operators in Python. So today we are going to discuss the second type of relational operator, that is not equal to. This one, not equal to. It returns true if both operands are not equal. That means if operand is normally a variable or a constant. So if left hand operand is not equal to right hand operand, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So this is the second type of relational operator which we are going to study. Now we are going to conduct one practical of this relational operator. So first we start Python. We will make one program. Click on file and then click on new file. Let us type a comment. So let us start writing the code. Now I am going to declare two variables. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. If A not equal to B, print A is not equal to B, else print A is equal to B. Now let us save this program. File, save as. Now let us run this program. A is not equal to B. The answer is A is not equal to B because the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 5. So 10 is not equal to 5. That's why the message immediately after if block is displayed, that is A is not equal to B. Now let us change the value of B to 5, 10. Control S, 5. A is equal to B. Now the message is A is equal to B. Why? Because both the variables contain the same value. If again I change the value to, let us say 6, 5. So A is not equal to B. This is all about today's relational operator, that is not equal to. We will continue with the remaining relational operators in the coming videos. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.